Hi, today I'm going to show you how to find the domain of a function. The domain of a function can be defined as all the x values of that function that give rise to the y values of that function. There are two methods to find the domain of a function, the first method being via inspection. Finding the domain via inspection is simply reading off the graph and determining what the domain of that graph is. For example, here, -4 to 4. In this parabola, the arrows extend to infinity, and thus the domain is also infinity. In this exponential equation, we are given a point at -3, and the arrow shows that the rest of the values continue to infinity, and thus the domain of this function is x greater than -3. Over here, I've given the equation of the graph. This is the second method. You can find the domain of the function by using algebraic math and solving for x. To solve for x, set the denominator to 0, and solving for x over here gives us two x values, and these two x values are the values that need to be restricted in order to find the domain of the function. Having solved for x, we now see that the domain of these functions are all values of x which aren't 2 and -1. There you go, and I've shown you two ways to find the domain of a function.